Constructivism is a learning theory that suggests learning is an active and constructive process. This theory believes knowledge is constructed rather than acquired. The construction of knowledge is based on personal experiences and environment. The learner, in this case, is constantly testing hypotheses through social negotiation. Each learner brings past experiences and elements of culture to the table, so each learner's interpretation of knowledge is different, as noted in these key concepts of the theory. The next theory is cognitive load theory. It is based around the load on our working memory during instruction. The creator, John Sweller, focuses on three types of cognitive load. The first is extraneous load, which is under control of instructional designers. This load is generated through the design of instruction. The next load is intrinsic cognitive load. It is based around the idea that all instruction is inevitably difficult. Because of this, schemas may be broken down into sub-schemas for more isolated understanding. The final cognitive load is germane load. This load is concerned with processing construction and the automation of schemas. Finally, the last cognitive load theory is the multimedia learning theory. The theory of multimedia learning is created with three major assumptions, as you can see here. The first is that there are two channels for processing information, auditory and visual. The second one is that there is limited channel capacity. And the final assumption is that learning is an active process that involves filtering, selecting, organizing, and integrating info. It was originated by Richard Mayer. All of this is based around the multimedia principle, which says people learn more deeply from words and pictures than from just words alone, as you can see here.